Hey guys, I just want to quickly clarify whether you can take a driving test if you're a key worker or not. Because during the lockdown period, the first lockdown period, we were allowed to take a driving test if you're a key worker. And I know, and I've heard some students pretending to be a key worker and managed to get a test. Listen, I'm not here to judge. But first of all, we were given this email, which we've already made a video on, which is from the 5th of November to the 2nd of December, all tests has been suspended. So you have to understand it's about 3 to 4 weeks. So I don't assume between the 3 to 4 weeks they're going to change up and quickly make the rules for key workers. So right now, all key workers are not allowed to take the driving test unless I get another email saying that you can, and then I'll update you guys. And also, we received another email. Let me just double check. Here we got another email regarding the refunding, and I suspect there was a misprint here, but we'll see. We're waiting on another email from DVSA. As soon as I get it, I'm gonna get back to you guys straight away. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Subscribe for all the latest videos.